सब अनुके नागालैंड टीवी दे स्वागत करेছে मोर नाम रविन्यो लामा और आपने देसाइसे एनएलटीवी एक्सप्रेस इधर न्यूज़ पुरिबो Union Minister Tourism, Culture and Development of North Eastern Region Donor G Kishan para North East Council and Ministry of Donor para Fund Kura State Soil Testing Laboratory inaugurate kuri dishe Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation Kohimate Government of Nagaland Office of District Project Officer Land Resource Department Dimapur Nagaland para organized Kura culmination program PMKSYWDC project under batches 4, 5 and 6 Dimapur district karne aji IMC Hall Nutul Basti Dimapur de 11 bajite manishe Intelligence Bureau Special Director AK Mishra ke India laga sarkar represent kuri kena Indo-Naga political batches shuru hua ase koi kana NSCN para janai dishe Mishra ke interlocutor appoint kura pichite Naga talks ja shuru hoise aru sarkar para officially interlocutor appoint kura nai Mishra ke kintu tai Naga political group khan logote kotha kuri thakibo faisla ekta loa up kobole District Congress Committee Dimapur para 24th September Congress Bhavan Dimapur te crusade khilaf unfaithful government with NPCC two team koi kana ekta meeting loise koi kana janishe District Congress Committee aru alak alak constitution laga working president khan para itu meeting te kotha patishe koi kana janai dishe Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav nimite aru India independence laga 75th anniversary manabole event ekta showcasing India as a rising economic force laga team under the Directorate of Industry and Commerce Nagaland Kohima Conference Hall te September 25 2021 10 bajite lobole janaise itu event to District Industry Center Kohima para Directorate of Industry and Commerce Agriculture and E-Export Product Development Authority of India logote collaborate kuri kina organize kuri ase koi kina janaise North East India Academy of Performing Arts para 2 din karne Nagaland Open Ping Pong Championship shuru kurise itu championship to 24th para 25th September tak thakibole ase aru itu Kohima laga indoor table tennis stadium te thaki ase Central Bureau of Investigation khan para investigation shuru kuri kena Akhil Bharatiya Akhara Parishad President Mahant Narendra Giri laga mod huate jaise postmortem hisab te Giri to sas lobo napara para murishe ar tai laga golade V laga daki paikine ase 81.39 crore opor COVID vaccine doses state or union territories se dishe ko kana jani paise 86 lakh national doses pipeline te ase ko kana Ministry of Health and Family Welfare para Friday te janai dishe aru 4.23 crores opor bal aru nachula vaccine doses state or union territory ke batibole ase koise Delhi Rohini court room de shootout hua homai tinta gangster murishe koi kana hunishe itu tinta gangster hi nohoi kana alak manu khan bi jokom hoise koi kana jani parise itu gunman khan to court te lawyer khan ase koi kana bitor jaise ar gangster Jitendra Goji ke 3 bar guli mari kena morai dise During conference come training Directorate of Higher Education Kohima Sarkar College Principal para September 23 conference hall Directorate of Higher Education Kohima te rakhishe conference come training laga team to envisioned inspire excel rakhishe Commissioner and Secretary for Higher and Technical Education W Honje Konyak para welcome address koi kana commitment or responsibility bonai kana rakhi bole koise Aji President Ramnath Kovind para National Service Scheme Award 2019 para 2020 ceremony Rashtrapati Bhavan para virtual mode ceremony manaise ceremony ke address kuri kana Kovind para India to Jawan desh ase koise aru awardees sabke badai janaise NSS to Central laga sector scheme ase aru 1969 te launch kurise Sal 2021 para Sal 2022 laga Agri and Allied Department State Level Sanctioning Committee to Nagaland Chief Secretary J. Alam laga chairmanship under the loise Joa Kali Secretary Conference holte J. Alam para Agro and Allied Department official logo khante khushi janaise tai khan para COVID pandemic ar bia mosam thaka homai te bi mon digine kam pura nimite aru koise funds of farming community laga lab karne kam kuri bi koi kana janaise Assam bitorde eviction drive thagate police para ekta photographer ke giraftar kuri loise Bijoy Shankar Bania police para tai ke giraftar kurise kintu tai ekta muri thaka lash ekta ke mari thaka nimite 15 साल का छुकरी के बलात्कार कुरिसे 29 मोता खान पर होइलेबी खाली 28 मानु के ही दूरी केना आसे बलात्कार कुरा खान बिशी वाला तो 18 पर 20 साल थाकिसे और 4 जून तो 20 पर 25 और 2 जून तो माइनर छोकरा थाकिसे कइसे सोर्सेस हिसाब ते इटु सब मजते 21 साल लगा छोकरा नाम विजय फुक प्राइवेट बैंक ते काम कुरा एजेंट ही मेन वाला आसे को केना जनाइसे Launching of the project of digital intervention on handloom and handicraft sector for livelihood enhancement of artisans of the state. Koikane ekta program aji puzur 10 baje adate Nilit Kohima Auditorium Mary Mate manishe. Program to National Institution of Electronics and Information Technology Kohima Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology para implement kurishe. Our Department of Industry and Commerce GON logo milikena manishe. Dimapur District Football Association logote milikena Nagaland Football Club Association para first Nagaland Futsal Tournament loise Kakit Futsal Ura Dimapur te idu tournament te bishi manu hissa loise aru manu khan sabole bi bishi thakise final te Telangjong FC Mokchung aru Satai United FC khilise aru Telangjong FC Mokchung para jidise koikena jani parise Aji Union Minister of Tourism, Culture and Donor G. Kishan Reddy para State Soil Testing Laboratory inaugurate kuribole ase. Lab to NEC Ministry of Donor para fund kura laga ase aru aji sham 340 te Directorate of Soil aru Water Conservation te lubole ase. Desh laga Prime Minister Narendra Modi aru US laga Vice President Kamala Harris Thursday te log paise aru dunia pura te regional development opor kotha kurise. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagji para Twitter te koise Modi aru Kamala Harris para India USA Healthcare Education Technologies khante bilateral partnership thakate kotha kurise ko kana janai dise. Karnataka Health Minister S Sudhakar para Thursday de koise COVID-19 laga third wave logo larai kuribole Pradesh Sarkar para savdhani kam uthai kena tayar kuri ase. Pradesh Sarkar para district aru taluk hospital aru bacha khan karne community health center khante 20% bisnar reserve kuri kena rakhi kena ase. Naga mota maki thejakile zui aru virakhulu wi Taijun orphanage karne fund jama kuribole mission opor dunia laga sobse lamba wala pahar Everest laga base camp punjise Taijun para mondikine orphanage karne fund jama kuribo laga bhabna uthaise Dimapur Church Road te Gor duita julise 6 baje rati Thursday 23 September te Gor jula laga karan to electric circuit para lagise kintu olop thaki kane duita gas cylinder bi phutise koi kana jani paise Ajila समाचार इटवा सम्मात होइसे इन्फर्मेशन अपडेट करने चाहि থাকিবে नागालैंड टीवी